Welcome to our guide on how to find the best garbage disposal units in Toronto when it comes to efficient waste management and maintaining a clean kitchen. The right garbage disposal can make all the difference. In this video, we'll provide you with expert advice on selecting the perfect disposal unit for your needs. Let's get started. The first step in finding the best garbage disposal in Toronto is understanding the different types available. There are continuous feed disposals, batch feed disposals, and even high-end models with advanced features. Consider your kitchen's needs and your budget to make the right choice. Keep in mind that a reliable garbage disposal can significantly reduce waste buildup and odor in your home. Now let's talk about motor power and durability. Garbage disposals come in various horsepower ratings, ranging from 13 HP to 1 HP or more. A more powerful motor can handle tougher food scraps and ensure a longer lifespan. When shopping for a disposal unit, prioritize durability to avoid frequent replacements. A robust unit will save you money in the long run. Nobody wants a noisy kitchen. Consider the noise levels of different garbage disposals, especially if you have a quiet kitchen environment in mind. Additionally, think about installation. Some units are easier to install than others, but it's always a good idea to hire a professional for a seamless setup. A well-installed disposal unit ensures both safety and efficiency. We're passionate about sustainability, and so should you be. Many garbage disposal units are designed to be environmentally friendly. Look for models with energy-efficient motors and ones that are compatible with septic systems if needed. By choosing an eco-friendly disposal, you're contributing to a cleaner Toronto and a healthier planet. Proper maintenance is key to the longevity of your garbage disposal. Regular cleaning and avoiding putting certain items down the disposal can prevent clogs and extend its life. We recommend scheduling maintenance checks and being mindful of what goes into the disposal. With the right care, your disposal will serve you well for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the best garbage disposal solutions in Toronto. Now that you're armed with expert advice, it's time to make an informed choice. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content, and visit our article on the Best in Hood website for detailed reviews of each product. Make your kitchen cleaner and greener with the perfect garbage disposal.